Hello everyone. We have already completed our chapter, The Adventures of Toto. So today I'm going to revise this chapter. So very first, the characters of this chapter. There are two main characters, that is Toto, a mischievous monkey who often gets into trouble with his antics, and another one character is the grandfather. Grandfather is a pensioner who is fond of animals, and ultimately he loses his patience with Toto and returns him to the Tonga driver. So basically, the narrator of this chapter is Ruskin Bond. So the Adventures of Toto is an interesting story of a mischievous pet monkey, and the narrator's grandfather loved animals, and he brings home a pet monkey called Toto, and the complete story revolves around the Toto's nuisance and how he gets into trouble with his adventures, and finally Toto is sent back to the same place from where he came. सो जहाँ से उसको लाया गया था वहीं से उसको वापस भेज दिया जाता है. सो नाउ द समरी इज just we can say the highlights of this chapter. There is a pretty monkey, you can see in this image also, whose name is Toto, was brought by the narrator's grandfather for rupees 5 from a Tonga driver, and brought home to be kept in the grandfather's private zoo. As Toto was very mischievous, he had to keep from the others animals. So we can say he is a very mischievous, and when grandfather visited to Saharanpur for some work, he carried Toto with him in the train, in a concealed in a bag. In train, concealed in a bag. So but he was caught at Saharanpur when grandfather was going out of the station, and so his fare had to be paid. So and during winter time, Toto bathed with warm water and also soaped himself, as he had seen the narrator doing. जैसा narrator करता था वैसा ही कॉपी करता था उसको. So however, Toto once nearly boiled himself alive, so he just by climbing into a tea kettle for bathing while the kettle was still on the stove for making tea. As you can see in the image also, that kettle is still on the fire, and the water is still boiling, और वो अपना आपको इसके अंदर डाल देता है और सोचता है कि हाँ पानी गर्म है, बिकॉज विंटर टाइम होता है तो उसको लगता है पानी गर्म है, उसके लिए अच्छा है. बट द केटल वॉज स्टिल ऑन द फायर. And Toto continue his antics by tearing clothes to shred, breaking plates, and many things, etc. Finally, grandfather realized that Toto was not a type of pet to be kept in the house, and he found a Tonga driver and sold Toto back for him to ₹3, और लॉस लेके, जस्ट ₹2 का लॉस लेके, बट उसको वापस वहाँ पे भेज देता है. एंड हीव्ड अ साई ऑफ रिलीफ कि हाँ अब टोटो चला गया है, अब हम आराम से रहेंगे.